सरस्वती नृत्यतु वाचि में सदा। स्वागतं शुभस्वागतं सर्वेभ्यः छात्रेभ्यः। रुचिर संस्कृत पाठ्यपुस्तकं जुलै मासस्य तृतीये दिनाङ्के संस्कृतकक्षायां वयं कण्टकेनैव कण्ठकम् इति पाठं पठन्तः स्मः। My dear students, welcome to online classes. In class 8th, we are studying the lesson by name Kantakenaiva Kantakam. In the previous class, we have completed 3 exercises, and today we are going to continue the exercise reading. Please observe carefully. अद्य चतुर्थम् अभ्यासं पठामः। चतुर्थः अभ्यासः अस्ति रेखाङ्कितपदमाधृत्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं कुर्वन्तु इत्यर्थः। You have to frame questions depending upon the underlined word. First question. So before that, what you need, all of you know it very well. I have taught you very well in the class 7th how to frame questions. I have taken special classes for Pullinga, Strilinga and Napumsakalinga. First of all, you should know whether it becomes to Pullinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga. Then you have to identify whether the given word belongs to which vibhakti and which vachana. So it makes framing the question very easy. इदानीम् आरम्भं कुर्मः। चतुर्थः अभ्यासः व्याधः व्याघ्रं जालात् बहिः निरसारयत्। जालात् अत्र अस्माभिः ज्ञातं पञ्चमी विभक्ति एकवचनं। कथं? जालात् जालाभ्यां जालेभ्यः पञ्चमी विभक्तिः अस्ति। एतस्य प्रश्ननिर्माणम् एवं करणीयं। व्याधः व्याघ्रं कस्मात्, once again I am repeating, कस्मात् बहिः निरसारयत्। जालात् कस्मात्। द्वितीयः प्रश्नः, द्वितीयं वाक्यं पश्यन्तु। चञ्चलः वृक्षम् उपगम्य अपृच्छत्। वृक्षशब्दः पुल्लिङ्गे अस्ति, द्वितीया विभक्ति एकवचनम्। अत्र एतस्य प्रश्ननिर्माणम् एवं करणीयं। चञ्चलः कम् उपगम्य अपृच्छत्। चञ्चलः कम् उपगम्य अपृच्छत्। वृक्षं कम्। तृतीयं वाक्यं पश्यन्तु। व्याघ्रः लोमशिखायै निखिलां कथां न्यवेदयत्। It is wrong. It is व्याधः, not व्याघ्रः. Tiger is not telling the story to the fox. It is the hunter. Some print mistakes are there. When we know, we have to correct it. व्याधः लोमशिखायै निखिलां कथां न्यवेदयत्। लोमशिखायै स्त्रीलिंग चतुर्थी विभक्ति एकवचनम्। लतायै इतिवत्। प्रश्ननिर्माणम् एवं करणीयं। व्याधः लोमशिखायै कस्यै निखिलां कथां न्यवेदयत्। लोमशिखायै कस्यै। अग्रे चलामः। मानवाः वृक्षाणां छायायां विरमन्ति। मानवाः वृक्षाणां छायायां विरमन्ति। एतस्य प्रश्ननिर्माणं कथं करणीयं? वृक्षाणां, वृक्षस्य वृक्षयोः वृक्षाणां, षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचनं। प्रश्ननिर्माणम् एवं करणीयं। मानवाः केषां छायायां विरमन्ति। वृक्षाणां केषां। अन्तिमवाक्यं। व्याघ्रः नद्याः जलेन व्याधस्य पिपाशाम् अशमयत्। Oh my God, very bad. So many mistakes. It should be व्याधः print mistakes, please bear. Vyadhaha nadyaha jalena vyagrasya pipasham ashamayat. Is it? So it is the hunter. Here Vyadhaha, it is Vyagrasya. Please correct. Prashna Nirmanam. Vyadhaha Nadyaha. Nadi Ikaranta Strilinga. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachan. Nadyaha Nadyoha Nadinam. Nadyaha. It is a Kasyaha. Nadyaha Kasyaha Jalena Vyagrasya Pipasam Ashamayat. Once again, I will be repeating. Jalat kasmat vriksham kam lomashikaye kasyai vrikshanam kesham nadyaha kasyah. Clear? Agre chalamaha. Manjushatah padani chitva katham purayata. Please, with the help of the words given in the bracket, in the box. Manjusha means box. Please take the help of the words given in the box and fill in the story, complete the story. First of all, let us see the meaning of the words given here. Vruddhaha, old. Krutavan, did. Akasmat, suddenly. Drushtva, after seeing. Mochaitum, to free. Sattahasam, very proudly. Sattahasam, very proudish nature. Kshudraha, small. Tarhi, then, if and then. Swakiyehi, with his own. Kartanam, cut. I hope all of you know this story very well. Famous story from Panchatantra. Ekasmin vane, first I will read it thoroughly, then you will understand half of the story, then we will do it once again. Ekasmin vane ekah dash vyagraha asit. Saha ekada vyadhena vistarite jale baddhaha abhavat. सः बहुप्रयासं डैश किन्तु जालात् मुक्तः नाभवत् डैश तत्र एकः क्षम्यतां मूषकः समागच्छत् बद्धं व्याघ्रं डैश सः तम् अवदत् अहो भवान् जाले बद्धः अहं त्वां डैश इच्छामि तच्छ्रुत्वा व्याघ्रः डैश अवदत् अरे त्वं डैश जीवः मम सहायं करिष्यसि यदि त्वं मां मोचयिष्यसि डैश अहं त्वां न हनिष्यामि मूषकः डैश लघुदन्तैः तज्जालस्य डैश कृत्वा तं व्याघ्रं बहिः कृतवान्. Even the small people help a lot, so we should not neglect the small people. This is what the moral we are learning. Ekasmin vane ekah dash vyagraha asit. Vyagraha ityasya visheshanam vruddhaha. Ekah vruddhaha vyagraha asit. सः एकदा व्याधेन विस्तारिते जाले बद्धः अभवत्. Same story. So the tiger was caught in the net. सः बहुप्रयासं कृतवान्. He did so much efforts. किन्तु जालात् मुक्तः न अभवत्. But he was unable to come out of the net. Dash तत्र एकः मूषकः समागच्छत्. Akasmat. Suddenly, one rat came there, mouse. Baddham vyagram dash sahatam avadat. Drushtva. Baddham vyagram drushtva. Looking at the tiger who was caught, he told, Aho Bhavan jale baddha, you are caught in the net. Aham tvam dash ichhami. Aham tvam mochayitum ichhami. I want to make you free. Tachrutva vyagraha dash avadat. After listening to that, Sattahasam very proudly he told, Are tvam dash jivaha, kshudraha jivaha. You are a very small animal. Mama sahayam karishyasi. You are going to help the king of the forest. Yadi tvam mam mochaishyasi. If you free me, tarhi. Tarhi aham tvam na hanishyami. Then I will not kill you. Mushakaha swakiyaihi laghudantaihi. With his small and sharp teeth. Tajjalasya kartanam krutva tam vyagram bahihi krutavan. He brought the tiger out of the net. Is it clear? So, very easy. According to the dashes, it is given in the sequence itself. So, no need to worry. Very bahusulabhamasti. Agre chalamaha. Shashtham abhyasam pathamaha. Yatha nirdesham uttarata. It is the board pattern. In the board, like this, questions will come. Unseen passage and read passage also, same pattern will come. First, answer the questions with one word. Next, mine will be answer the questions with the full sentence. Third mine will be Yatha nirdesham uttarata. Please answer as directed. Yatha nirdesham means please answer as directed. First one. Saha lomashikayai sarvam katham nyavedayat. Asmin vakye visheshana padam kim. In this sentence, what is the adjective? Atra pashantu sarvam katham. Atra sarvam iti visheshana padam. Understood? Sarvam. Answer is sarvam. द्वितीयम् अहं त्वत्कृते धर्मम् आचरितवान्. अत्र अहम् इति सर्वनामपदं कस्मै प्रयुक्तम्? I have done good for you. Here I is referring for whom? Who is referred by I? उत्तरं कस्मै प्रयुक्तं? चञ्चलाय अथवा व्याधाय. You can write. तृतीयः प्रश्नः सर्वः स्वार्थं समीहते. अस्मिन् वाक्ये कर्तृपदं किम्? अत्र कर्तृपदमस्ति सर्वः. उत्तरं लिखन्तु सर्वः. That is कर्तृपदं means all of you know. कर्तृपदं means subject. Next घ. समयः अल्पः. बहु प्रश्नाः सन्ति. सा सहसा चञ्चलम् उपसृत्य कथयति. This is the given sentence. वाक्यात् एकम् अव्ययपदं चित्वा लिखता. अव्ययम् which doesn't change. Sahasa is the avyaya. This is very important. Even up to 10th class, always in the board exam, the same word is asked. Sahasa means akasmat, suddenly. So I will take a special class to teach you what is avyayapada. Okay. का वार्ता माम अपि विज्ञापय. अस्मिन् वाक्ये क्रियापदं किम्? क्रियापदस्य पदपरिचयमपि लिखता. अस्तु. अत्र क्रियापदम् अस्ति विज्ञापय. पदपरिचयं कथं लिखामः? वि उपसर्गः, ज्ञ धातुः, लोट् लकारः, मध्यमपुरुषः, एकवचनं. पठ इति भवति. पठतु पठतां पठन्तु पठ इति मध्यमपुरुषे एकवचनमस्ति खलु. एवं विज्ञापयतु, विज्ञापयतां, विज्ञापयन्तु, विज्ञापय मध्यमपुरुष एकवचनं. स्पष्टमस्ति? Once again, last one I am telling you. विज्ञापय is the क्रियापद. पदपरिचयं वि अधिकं ज्ञ अधिकं लोट् लकारः. सप्तमः अभ्यासः. उदाहरणानुसारं रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयत. This is रुकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्द माता. Many of you were asking me last year questions. Sir, mata a is there. How? Mat lata late latah mata mate matah. No, it is wrong. Matru shabdah. The root. That's why Sanskrit root is very very important. Moolam avashyakam. Moola rupam kim matru atra pasyantu. Matru shabdah. So for the model, Matru Shabda is given. Looking at the Matru Shabda, you have to write Swasru. Swasa. Swasa nama Bhagini. Avagatam. Sister. एवं माता मातरौ मातरः स्वसा स्वसरौ स्वसरः. तृतीया विभक्तौ मात्रा मातृभ्यां मातृभिः स्वस्रा स्वश्रुभ्यां स्वश्रुभिः. Saptami Vibhakti. Now he is making ulta. He is giving you Swasru Shabda and you have to write Matru Shabda. Swasari Swasruho Swasrushu. Matari Matroho Matrushu. Swasru Shabdasya Shashti Vibhakti. He is giving Swasuhu Swasroho Swasrunam Matuhu Matroho Matrunam. To help you, even though it is not there in textbook, means in the exercises, to help you I have put this PPT of Matru Shabda as well as Swasru Shabda. Please let us read next one. Rukarantah Strilinga Matru Shabdah Mata Matarau Mataraha Mataram Matarau Matruhu Matra Matrubhyam Matrubhihi Matre Matrubhyam Matrubhyaha Matuhu Matrubhyam Matrubhyaha Matuhu Matroho Matrunam Matari Matroho Matrushu He Mataha He Matarau He Mataraha. This is Matru Shabda. Next we will study Swasru Shabda. Swasru Shabda Bahan, that is sister. Rukaranta Strilinga Swasru Shabda. Swasa Swasarau Swasarau Swasaraha Swasaram Swasarau Swasruhu Swasra Swasrubhyam Swasrubhihi Swasre Swasrubhyam Swasrubhyaha Swasuhu Swasrubhyam Swasrubhyaha Swasuhu Swasroho Swasrunam Swasari Swasroho Swasrushu He Swasaha He Swasaro He Swasaraha. Please take the help of these shabdas and complete the exercise. Last exercise Pashyamaha. Dhatu Pratyayancha Likata. While explaining the lessons, I have explained you this. Once again, we will do it. Gantum. Gam adikam. Tumun pratyaha gantum iti bhavati. Drashtum. Drush. You should write drush adikam tumun pratyaha. Karaniyam. Please write kru adikam aniyar. Please note down, these pratyas will be taught to you. Kru adikam aniyar. Patum. Pa adikam tumun. Khaditum. Khad adikam tumun. Krutva. Kru adikam tumun. Krutva. Just for your knowledge, Patum. I will tell you a shloka, one story. As we know, Kavyeshu Natakam Ramyam. Among all the literary forms, the beauty comes in the dramas. Kavyeshu Natakam Ramyam. Tatra Ramya Shakuntala. Among all the dramas in Sanskrit, the most beautiful drama is Abhignana Shakuntala, which we had story in the 6th class. Anguliyakam Praptam, you remember, I think. Then, among the Shakuntala, Tatrapi Chaturthonkaha, The fourth scene is the most beautiful one. Even then, Tatra Shloka Chatushtayam. There, Kalidasa writes four beautiful sentences. The one of the four beautiful shlokas starts from Patum. That's why I am telling you, I will sing that shloka. पातुन्न प्रथमं व्यवस्यति जलम् युष्मास्वपीतेषु या नादत्ते नवमण्डनापि नितराम् नादत्ते नवमण्डन नादत्ते नवमण्डनापि नितरां स्नेहेन या पल्लवम् आद्येवः कुसुमः प्रसूतिसमये यस्या भवत्युत्सवः सेयं याति शकुन्तलापतिगृहं सर्वैरनुज्ञायताम्. Here it is told that how Shakuntala was deeply attached with the nature. So she was loving the nature so much, she was watering the plants. When she was going out for meeting Dushyanta, all the even trees, Pallavas, that means tender leaves, were not opening their face because they were very sad that Shakuntala is going. So that means even in the novels we see the love for the nature. Recently on June 5th we have celebrated Antarrashtriya Vanamahotsava Dinam. Hmm? Evam, you also increase your love for the nature. भवतु शुभदिनं भवतु अनुदिनं धन्यवादाः.